Hi everyone, today we're going to be talking about the Amazon Basics water filter cartridges. They come in a pack of 3 and I already took one out and opened it up to show you guys. It fits perfectly in our Brita filter, which is incredible, and I am so excited to change it out. So as you can see, this one's made by Amazon and this one is the original Brita one, and they look very similar. So I'm going to be taking this one out and exchanging it, but always make sure that you run your water filtered cartridges underwater for a couple seconds to get rid of any dirt and residue in there before you place it in your Brita filter or any other filter that you're using. So let's get that done before I install it. Alright you guys, I have it here nice and clean and ready to be put inside. So we're going to be opening this up and taking the lid all off just like so. And there we have our old filter. I just have to twist it and take it out. It is gone and it is time to replace it. So I'll be putting in the new one just by pushing it in and twisting it in there just like that. And then I can put the lid back on. The Brita filter does require you to press and hold whenever you change the filter, so I'm going to do that now. It says to press and hold for 2 seconds, and now it knows that it is a brand new filter, and I can get started in using it all over again, which is great. So go check out Amazon Basics water filter cartridges. They're definitely incredible for the Brita filter or any other filter you use. And they come in a pack of 3, so it's so nice to have a few on hand. Go check it out, you guys.